Want to upgrade your home without spending a fortune? In this video, we'll show you 5 easy DIY projects that you can complete in just one weekend. From stylish floating shelves to cozy outdoor lighting, these simple ideas will transform your space. Let's get started. 1. DIY floating shelves for extra storage. Floating shelves are a great way to add extra storage and style to your home without taking up floor space. They are perfect for displaying books, plants, or decorative pieces. You can customize the size, color, and design to fit your home decor. All you need are wooden boards, brackets, screws, and a drill. Start by measuring and marking the wall where you want the shelves to go. Secure the brackets and then place the wooden board on top. Make sure everything is level before securing the screws. With just a few hours of work, you can create a stylish and functional addition to any room in your home. 2. DIY accent wall with peel and stick panels. Adding an accent wall can transform a dull space into a focal point with minimal effort. Peel and stick wall panels are a budget-friendly and easy-to-install solution. Choose from a variety of textures and patterns like wood, brick, or geometric designs. Start by cleaning the wall surface and measuring the area where the panels will be applied. Peel off the backing and carefully stick the panels onto the wall, smoothing out any bubbles. This project can completely change the atmosphere of a room in just a few hours. Whether you want a modern or rustic vibe, an accent wall can make a big impact. 3. DIY upcycled furniture makeover. Give your old furniture a new life with a simple upcycling project. Instead of throwing away an old dresser or chair, transform it with paint, new handles, or fresh upholstery. Sand the surface to remove any old paint or varnish. Then apply a fresh coat of paint in a trendy color like sage green or navy blue. Add stylish knobs or handles to give it a fresh look. If you're working with chairs or cushions, consider reupholstering them with new fabric. Upcycling not only saves money, but also allows you to create custom furniture that fits your unique style. 4. DIY outdoor string light setup for a cozy patio. Create a warm and inviting outdoor space by installing string lights on your patio or backyard. Outdoor lighting can completely change the mood and make your space feel cozy and magical. Choose waterproof LED string lights and attach them to fences, poles, or overhead structures. If you don't have an existing setup, you can create a simple wooden frame to hang the lights. Secure the lights using hooks or zip ties, making sure they are evenly spaced. Once the lights are up, add some outdoor furniture and enjoy a cozy evening under the stars. 5. DIY Entryway Organizer for a clutter-free space. A well-organized entryway can make your home feel more welcoming and functional. Create a DIY entryway organizer using a simple wooden board, hooks, and small shelves. This organizer can hold keys, mail, bags, and other essentials you need when leaving the house. Start by measuring and cutting the wood to your desired size. Attach sturdy hooks for hanging items and add small shelves for extra storage. Mount the organizer near your front door for easy access. This project helps keep everything in place while adding a stylish touch to your entryway. These 5 DIY weekend projects are easy, budget-friendly, and perfect for upgrading your home in just a couple of days. Whether you're adding stylish storage, transforming a wall, or creating a cozy outdoor space, small changes can make a big impact. Try one of these projects this weekend and let us know how it turned out in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home improvement ideas. See you in the next video.